Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got a parcel here and it's from New Zealand and it is from Sue Terrell. Yep, I think so. And I'm going to cut it open. Okay, another parcel. It's a parcel. Very good. And I have a nice letter. Look, yes, she stamped that for me, put your name on it and everything. That's cool, isn't it? Love that. Oh, look at this bird. Oh, look, isn't he gorgeous? I just have to go out a little tiny bit because okay. Oh, look at that, Sue. Gee, that's a lovely card. Thank you so much. She's got a good sense of humour, so that's very nice of you. Thank you. Love to watch my videos, and that's really nice. And I do love this card. Oh, wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'll have to use that. Won't I? Something. Oh, that's good. Thank you. And I've got a piece of cardboard with good elastic bands and some good washi tape. And she's made this nice parcel for me. Look what I got in here. Oh, good. Thank you very much, Sue. Oh dear, look at these. Aren't these beautiful? Wow. Did I see these? Why do I think I've seen these on the... Okay. She's been a subby of mine for about 2 years, and that's very good. Okay, that is very nice of you to send me these. Look at that. I love that. It's got all this... It's, feels like it's been embossed. It's got all this texture on it. Look at that. I do love that. Is that a serviette, maybe? Maybe it's not. I don't know. But it's all bubbly. It's got beautiful texture. Look, our birds with their googies. Here's another one. Yeah, she's embossed all this. Look, there's an owl in there. Okay, that's cool. You must have put all that through the same... You must have put that through your embossing folder or something. And there's the owl. He must be underneath there. I wonder what you used over the top of that. That's really cool, that is. Look at the birds. I love this. This is nice, fluffy. That's really neat. I do like... I'm fascinated with that. So you've got something that you've heated up, maybe, to put it over the top of there. That's cool. Okay, thank you. That is really nice. And then we've got this one. It says Sprinkle Love, and it's got a little tag inside. I love little tags. And it's got a tag on the tag. More tags. Look at this. Lots of them. I know. She's got all them tags on there. Cool. And there's a... I don't think that's a... oh, you know. Tea bag. It's a tea bag. And there's a nice... you know, that stuff that they have that's really nice fabric. Yes. More there. And this is really cool. Gee, you did a good job of these, aren't they? Really nice. Thank you very much. I really do. I'm looking about here everywhere. Oh, there's your information. I don't know what's wrong with me. They were on the first tag. Thank you very much for those. They are really nice. I'm really liking how you come about this. I really like what you did there. I do like all of it, but I wonder how you got in behind there. That's interesting. It is really interesting what's that owl doing in through there. Anyway, so thank you very much, Sue. I really appreciate you entering my challenge, and we'll hope everybody has a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.